Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of deleting a Trello board. Whether you want to tidy up old projects, clear out unused boards, or simply start fresh, knowing how to remove a board properly is an important skill for staying organized. While deleting may sound intimidating, the process is actually quick and straightforward once you know the steps. Let's go through it together. First, open your browser and log into your Trello account at Trello.com, enter your login details, and you'll be taken to your Trello homepage where all your active boards are displayed. Now, navigate to the board you want to delete. This could be an outdated project, a test board, or something you no longer need. Before moving forward, take a moment to double-check that this is the correct board, because once it's gone, the action is permanent. Once you're on the board, look toward the top right corner and click on the three-dot icon for more options. From the drop-down menu, select Close Board. Closing a board is not the same as deleting it, but this is a required step before you can fully remove it. A confirmation box will appear. Click Close to proceed. At this point, the board will disappear from your list of active boards, but it hasn't been permanently deleted yet. To finish the process, go back to your Trello homepage, scroll down and click on View Closed Boards. This section works like a temporary holding area where your closed boards are stored. Find the board you just closed in that list. This is your last chance to make sure you've selected the right one. When you're certain, click the Delete button next to the board's name. Trello will show a final confirmation message. Once you click Confirm, your board will be permanently deleted and it cannot be undone. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Trello board. This simple process helps you keep your workspace clean and ensures you're only focusing on the projects that matter most. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If it did, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might find it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one.